Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy December. Hope you all are doing great. So today I will show you this package. This is sent by my parents from West Bengal. So let's unbox it together. So this parcel totally packaged by my father, and he used to send with India Post. It takes little bit more time, but the cost is little bit less than others. So let me show you this. This is how my parents package it, and this is 14 kg weight. So they will charge according to the weight and how many separate box. Let me show you what are the things are there. I know there are few tea bags and one trolley bag they send. Apart from that, I don't know. This is the trolley bag they sent. This is from American Tourister. It's the outside is little bit hard. This one, let me see what it is. This is the hand gloves we bought from Banaras. This is kind of prasada. The same thing. This is the brand Kabira. So basically my father has dealership of this, and this oil I used so many times while cooking. So it is so good. That's why I asked them to send it. See the color, it is so good, right? So first, this is my sister's old mobile cover. These two kind of t-shirts. This is my old black belt that is required for my office wear. My phone cover, it is also I need to carry for emergency part. This is walnut, cashew. This is premium quality dates, almonds. One more packet of walnut. 3 packets of almonds totally. One more belt I had, so they sent it too. This is kind of sweet snacks what we used to take in my hometown, but unfortunately it is not available here, so they sent it. These two kinds of sweets, snacks. Okay, this is one kind of apple, but not sure how it is. See, but it's damaged actually by the pressure. This is one kind of spices. In Bengali it is called, again I forgot the name. I will tell later. One pair of socks. I don't know. One dishwasher. It is also one kind of dates. One umbrella. These are all tea bags. 8 bags only. I don't know what is called in English. This is in Bengali called bodi. This specific kind of recipe in Bengali. If you use this thing, it will taste so good. And 5 packets of tadka dal. There is a masala and the mix kind of dal, and with a recipe paper. So once we prepare these things with these specific spices, it feels like you are taking from the hotel. It is so good. It is so hard. So guys, that's all for today's video. I know it is not so interesting, but I usually do the unboxing video, right? So that's why I did it. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestions. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Take care. Bye.